A car moves along a straight horizontal road with constant acceleration a meters per second squared, where a is positive. The car is modeled as a particle. At time t equals 0, the car passes point A and is moving with speed u meters per second. So, until now, I know that we have a car, okay, and at time equals 0, at point A, let's name it point A, we have initial velocity u meters per second. Okay. In the first 3 seconds after passing A, the car travels 20 meters. It means that, for example, after 3 meters, the car is here. Okay, time equals 3. And it travels s equals 20 meters. Okay. In the 4th second after passing A, the car travels 10 meters. Okay. After passing A, it means that from beginning, 4 seconds later, we are here now, 3 meters later. And after 1 more second, we reach to the another point, which is time is 4 seconds. And it travels, in the 4 seconds, it travels 10 meters. It means that here equals 10 meters. So it means that total displacement from beginning to this point, time equals 4 seconds. So total displacement until here equals 30 meters, 20 meters until third one, and until 4th second we have totally 30 meters displacement. The speed of the car is as it passes point B is 20 meters per second. Okay. So we have another point B, for example here. And velocity here, since it is final velocity, equals 20 meters per second. Find the time taken for the car to travel from A to B. So the total time of this travel equals what? Okay. So since we have information related to initial velocity and also the displacement, I'm going to write two equations related to the information of two times that we have. Look, we have the information related to t equals 3 meters. So we have initial velocity and displacement. And also we have the information related to the 4th second, which t equals 4 and displacement equals 30 meters. Okay, after that, I can find acceleration and initial velocity. And after finding these two values, I can write the equation of acceleration, which is a equals v minus u divided by t, and find t since I have the final velocity. Okay, let's do it step by step and see the results. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to write the equation using the formula s equals ut plus 1 over 2 a t power 2. Okay. So for time equals 3, when time equals 3, I have displacement, sorry, 20 meters equals u is our initial velocity, multiply 3 plus 1 over 2, a is unknown, I don't have, multiply t power 2, 3 power 2. Okay, so our answer will be 20 equals 3u plus 4.5a. It is 9 divided by 2, 4.5. So if I want to write the equation, it will be 4.5a plus 3u minus 20 equals 0. Okay, this is my first equation. Second equation we can find from the fourth second information. We have again same initial velocity, same acceleration, and we have the displacement of 30 meters. So again same formula for time equals 4 seconds. The units as well. Okay, so s will be 30 because in fourth second we have s equals 30 meters equals u multiply 4 times 4 plus 1 over 2 multiply same acceleration multiply 4 power 2 time power 2. Okay, so it will be 30 equals 4u plus 16 divided by 2, it will be 8. 8a. So 8a plus 4u minus 30 equals 0. So this is my second equation. Now I have two unknowns with two equations, and I can find a and u using these two equations. Okay, I name it as first equation and second equation. And now I am going, actually you can find it using your calculator, but if you want, you can find 4.5a plus 3u minus 20 equals 0. And the second one is 8a plus 4u minus 30 equals 0. Okay. I can multiply the first equation by 4 and second one by minus 3 to be able to cancel the u. This one will be 12u, this one will be minus 12u, so they can be cancelled. Okay, let's do it. First equation multiply by 4 will be 18a plus 12u minus 80 equals 0. Second one, multiply by minus 3, it will be minus 24a minus 12u plus 90 equals 0. So sum of these two equations will be minus 6a 0, they will be cancelled, plus 10 equals 0. So a will be minus 10 over minus 6. It will be 10 over 6 or minus 10 over minus 6. And acceleration will be 5 divided by 3 meters per second square. Okay. Now, after finding a, you can put it in equation 1 or 2 and find u. I'm going to use the first equation. From first equation, 4.5a plus 3u minus 20 equals 0. Okay, insert a. 4.5 multiply 5 divided by 3 plus 3u minus 20 equals 0. And if you solve this equation, you will find u equals 4.17 meter per second. Okay, now you have initial velocity, you have acceleration, and the information of the question. V equals 20 meters per second, then B velocity, final velocity is 20 meters per second. What is time? So we can find time now using the formula of acceleration, or if you wish, you can use this formula. V equals AT plus U. V is 20 equals acceleration is 5 divided by 3 multiply T plus U 4.17. Okay, now T will be 9.5 seconds. Okay,